All right, get ready because today we're heading to Phuket.
Phuket.
But not just for the beaches.
Right.
We're doing a deep dive into the luxury real estate scene there.
Okay.
You know, picture those private villas overlooking the ocean.
Oh, yeah.
A whole different lifestyle. Less stress,
Oh.
way more sunshine.
For sure.
To guide us, we've got some great insights from OceanWwP Phuket Real Estate.
Oh, they're great.
They're major players in the Phuket market.
Yeah.
So they really know their stuff.
It's incredible to see how Phuket has changed, you know?
Yeah.
It used to be just a beautiful beach destination.
Right.
But now it's drawing in a whole new crowd.
Like who?
High net worth individuals
Oh, wow.
looking to invest in a luxurious lifestyle.
It's a big shift, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, we're not just talking about beachfront resorts anymore.
Right.
The article even mentions luxury brands setting up shop,
Oh, yeah.
like Hermes, Louis Vuitton,
Wow.
even Gucci.
That's a big deal.
Seems like a pretty big signal.
Definitely.
It is a sign. Phuket is being recognized as a serious player in the global luxury market.
You know, these brands don't just pick any location.
Right.
They want places where their clients are.
Yeah.
Places that just scream exclusivity and sophistication.
So Phuquet's not just keeping up with the Joneses.
Right.
They want to be the Joneses.
Exactly.
At least in the luxury real estate world.
Right.
But what's behind all of this?
Right.
Is it just the beautiful beaches and fancy boutiques?
There's got to be more to it than that.
Right.
Phuket offers this incredible combination of factors that really appeal to a certain type of investor.
Okay.
Of course, the natural beauty is undeniable.
Right. It's gorgeous.
But you've also got a growing infrastructure, international standard healthcare,
Oh, wow.
and education,
Okay.
and a vibrant social scene.
And don't forget the price tag.
Yeah, that's a good point.
The article mentions an average property price of about 231,579 baht per square meter.
Okay.
I did a little research.
Did you?
And that's way lower than places like Monaco or the French Riviera.
Wow.
You know, those traditional luxury real estate hotspots.
That's right.
So Phuket's offering luxury
Yeah,
at a maybe more accessible price point.
potentially.
Now, whether that value proposition holds up, who knows?
Yeah, we'll
But
see.
it's definitely grabbing attention right now.
It is.
It's like the perfect storm brewing, isn't it?
It kind of is.
Beautiful location,
Mm-hmm.
growing infrastructure,
Yeah,
luxury brands,
for sure.
and competitive pricing.
It's all coming together.
And speaking of infrastructure,
Yeah.
the article talks about the expanded airport
Right.
and plans for a light rail system.
Wow.
Those are big steps forward.
Those are key signs that Phuket is serious
Yeah.
about catering to a global high-end market.
They're investing in the kind of stuff that makes it easier not just to visit,
Right.
but to potentially live and work there.
Exactly.
And if you're creating a luxury destination,
Yeah.
you need those things.
For sure.
It's not just about the properties themselves. It's about the entire experience.
The whole package.
Okay, speaking of properties,
Yeah.
we can't ignore Banyan Group's Laguna Phuket.
No way.
It's described as this massive
It's huge.
1,000-acre integrated community.
Wow.
It's practically its own little city.
I know.
Laguna Phuket is like the prime example
Yeah.
of how developers are approaching luxury real estate in Phuket.
It's not just about building individual villas or condos.
Yeah.
It's about creating this whole ecosystem.
So they've got,
They have 8 world-class hotels,
wow.
a championship golf course,
Okay.
over 3,000 private residences,
That's incredible.
and they get over 1 million visitors each year.
1 million visitors.
Yeah.
That paints a picture of a pretty vibrant community.
Definitely.
It's not just a place to park your money. It's
Yeah.
a place to live, to experience something unique.
to be a part of it.
And it seems like they're in tune with the current trends. The article mentions the Gardens of Eden project.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a nature-inspired luxury wellness space.
That wellness aspect is really interesting.
Yeah, why is that?
It shows a bigger shift
In what?
in how people are approaching luxury.
I see.
It's not just about stuff anymore.
So what is it about?
It's about experiences,
Yeah.
health and well-being, connecting with nature.
So it's like they're saying, sure, you can have your luxury villa, your private beach,
Right.
but we're also going to help you take care of
Yeah.
your mind and body while you're at it.
Exactly.
It's a pretty good deal.
It's pretty compelling.
So that brings us to the heart of it.
Okay.
What's attracting people to Phuket's luxury real estate? It's not just about the properties themselves.
Right.
It's about the lifestyle.
The lifestyle they represent.
All right, so we've got the setting, the amenities, and the infrastructure.
It's all there.
But let's talk about what it's actually like to live this luxurious Phuket life.
Okay, imagine this.
Yeah.
You wake up in your villa,
Okay.
step out onto your balcony, and bam, panoramic ocean views.
Wow.
Maybe you start your day with some yoga,
Okay.
overlooking the Andaman Sea,
Nice.
followed by a healthy breakfast
Right.
with fresh, local ingredients.
Here he's speaking my language.
Sounds pretty good, right?
It does.
Then, maybe head to one of those world-class spas.
Yeah.
Get a massage or a beauty treatment.
Okay.
In the afternoon, explore the island's markets.
Yeah.
Go for a swim in your private pool.
This is nice.
Or just relax on the beach with a good book.
It's like stepping into a travel magazine.
I know, right?
But this isn't just a vacation.
No.
This is their life.
Exactly.
They get to experience this every day.
And as the sun sets,
Yeah.
you could dine at a Michelin star restaurant. Or enjoy a cocktail
Okay.
at a beachfront bar, listening to the waves.
I'm sold.
Right.
When are we moving in?
Hold on. Before you pack your bags,
Right.
there's some things to consider.
Like what?
That's a great question.
Okay.
That's what we'll pick up in the next part of our deep dive.
All right. I'm ready for it. Okay. So Phuket's got it all, right?
That seems like it.
Stunning scenery.
Yeah.
Luxury amenities.
Definitely.
And a lifestyle that honestly sounds pretty amazing.
It does.
But let's be real for a second.
Yeah.
This is the deep dive, not Fantasy Island.
Right.
So what are the practical things to think about for someone actually thinking about investing in Phuket real estate?
You're right. We got to get past the glitz and glamour.
Yeah.
Look at the nitty-gritty.
Exactly.
First and foremost,
Yeah.
work with reputable local agents.
That makes sense.
They know the market inside and out,
Okay.
especially when it comes to luxury properties.
It's like you wouldn't buy a car without a mechanic checking it out, right?
Exactly.
So finding a trusted expert on the ground seems like step one.
It's essential.
What about the legal stuff? Oh, that's important.
Buying property in another country
Right.
can't be as simple as picking a villa online.
No, it's not that easy.
So Tyron's got specific laws
You do.
about foreigners owning
Right.
property.
That's right.
And those regulations can be tricky.
Definitely.
A good agent can help you through that.
Yeah, they'll make sure everything's legit.
So due diligence is key,
Absolutely.
just like with any investment.
It's crucial.
Okay, so you've done your homework.
Yeah.
Found a great agent.
Mm-hmm.
You're ready to jump in.
Okay.
What kinds of properties are hot in Phuket right now?
Well.
Are we talking big estates,
Yeah.
sleek condos, beachfront bungalows?
All of that.
What's the trend?
If you're looking for the ultimate privacy,
Yeah.
luxury villas with those amazing ocean views are at the top of the list.
Those are popular.
Your own private oasis, basically, with a
Nice.
pool,
Okay.
lush gardens, maybe even a private chef.
Okay, I'm picturing it.
Right. And I have to admit, it's pretty tempting.
It's pretty incredible.
But what about those of us who aren't ready for the whole estate thing?
Sure.
Something a little more manageable, maybe.
Right, less upkeep.
Yeah, exactly.
Condos in prime locations are super popular too,
Oh,
especially for people who want that lock and leave lifestyle.
so you get the luxury,
Yeah.
but without all the responsibility of a villa.
Exactly, you got it.
So it really caters to different needs and lifestyles.
It does.
Which makes sense because Phuket attracts a pretty diverse crowd.
It's a real melting pot.
So you've got people from all over the world.
You do. Expats, entrepreneurs, retirees, families.
Wow.
They're all drawn to this unique mix of beauty, culture, and lifestyle.
So it's not just about escaping to your private villa.
No, it's more than that.
It's about being part of something bigger.
Exactly.
A community of like-minded people
Yeah.
who share a passion for this amazing place.
That's what makes it special.
Okay, we've talked about the luxury, the lifestyle, the community.
Right.
But what about the return on investment?
The big question.
Is Phuket just a place to enjoy the good life?
Well,
Or is there real potential for financial growth?
that's the million-dollar question. And the answer is, it depends. Like any real estate market, there are risks and rewards.
Okay, break it down for me.
Right.
What makes Phuket stand out as an investment?
First, you have growing demand.
Great.
As more people discover Phuket, the demand for luxury properties goes up.
Makes sense.
And that puts upward pressure on prices.
Supply and demand, right?
Exactly.
What else is in Phuket's favor?
Well, we talked about the infrastructure improvements.
Yay.
They're key to attracting those high-end clients.
Mm-hmm.
But beyond that, Phuket's also becoming a hub for innovation
Okay.
and sustainability.
Now that's interesting.
It is.
You don't always associate sustainability with luxury real estate.
It's becoming more common.
But it makes sense.
It does.
People are more aware of their impact on the environment.
Absolutely.
Even when it comes to their vacation homes.
You got it.
So Phuket's on top of that trend.
Yeah. Many new developments are eco-friendly.
Oh, that's great.
They're using renewable energy sources and sustainable practices.
So it's not just about building bigger and fancier villas.
No.
It's about doing it in a way that's good for the environment.
Exactly.
That's got to be appealing to some investors.
It is.
People who want to feel good about their investment and be part of positive change.
It's a growing trend.
Sustainability is becoming a key driver in the luxury real estate market.
It's not just a niche thing anymore.
Okay, so we've got growing demand, the infrastructure improvements, the focus on sustainability.
Right.
But let's be realistic.
Okay.
There's always another side to the story.
Of course.
What are some of the potential challenges or risks investors should be aware of?
That's a great question.
Let's play devil's advocate for a minute.
Okay. What could potentially slow down Phuket's luxury real estate boom?
Well, like any investment, there are external factors.
Okay, like what?
Global economic downturns.
Right.
They can affect real estate prices everywhere.
Even Phuket.
Including Phuket.
So it's not immune to global forces?
No, it's not.
What else should investors be cautious about?
Political instability.
That makes sense.
Thailand has had some political upheavals, and those can create uncertainty.
Investors don't like uncertainty.
They like predictability.
Yeah, for sure.
And political instability is the opposite of that.
Right. Anything else that could throw a wrench in things?
Let's not forget natural disasters.
Okay, yeah.
Phuket's in a region prone to them, earthquakes,
Right.
tsunamis, even severe storms.
Those can definitely impact property values.
Absolutely.
So it's not all sunshine and cocktails.
No, it's not.
There are real risks,
Definitely.
just like with any investment.
That's right.
But it sounds like the key is balance.
Yeah.
Weighing the potential rewards.
Against the potential risks.
Exactly. Informed investors understand that.
So diversification and due diligence are crucial.
They are essential.
It's about doing your research, understanding the market,
Right.
and not putting all your eggs in one basket.
Absolutely.
So even in paradise, you got to keep your head on straight.
Don't get swept away.
Don't let the allure of paradise cloud your judgment.
Do your research, understand the market, and weigh the potential rewards and risks.
Okay, I think we've covered a lot.
We have.
The allure of the Phuket lifestyle, the types of properties, the potential for growth, and the risks.
That's all important.
But there's one big question left.
What's that?
Is this boom just temporary?
That's a good question.
Or is Phuket going to become a major player in the luxury real estate market?
That's the question everyone's asking.
It is.
And I think we'll explore that in the last part of our deep dive.
Okay, I'm ready for it. So we've talked about the good and the maybe not so good when it comes to Phuket real estate.
Right. The potential and the risks.
But is this luxury boom just a fad? Or is it the start of something much bigger?
Well, it's easy to see fast growth and wonder if it'll last.
Yeah, that's true.
But I think Phuket's got some things going for it.
Like what?
That suggest this isn't just a temporary thing.
Okay, tell me more.
What makes you think Phuket will stay strong in the luxury market? It's the long game they're playing.
Okay.
This transformation in Phuket, it's been strategic and well-planned.
So they're thinking ahead.
Yeah, they're not just building fancy properties. They're creating a whole ecosystem.
Per what?
To cater to a global elite.
So it's more than just those villas and pools.
Much more.
Okay.
Remember all the investments we talked about?
Yeah.
Infrastructure, healthcare, education, even the sustainability focus.
Right.
Those are all long-term moves.
They're thinking about the future?
They're creating a place where people don't just visit.
Yeah.
They live, work, and invest for years to come.
So they're building a solid base.
Exactly, a foundation.
Not just chasing a quick trend.
Nope.
And don't forget about Phuket itself.
It's hard to beat.
The natural beauty, the tropical climate, the culture.
Those are things that will always attract people.
You make a good point.
Thanks.
But even with all that, there's got to be some doubt.
Of course.
The luxury market can be unpredictable. What if tastes change?
That's true.
What if another place becomes the hot new thing?
Those are valid concerns.
So how should investors think about Phuket with all these challenges in mind?
It's all about balance and perspective.
Got it.
Recognizing that no investment is risk-free.
Sure.
Diversification is key.
Right.
And do your homework.
Due diligence, due diligence, due diligence.
That's it.
Got it. So even in paradise.
Yeah.
Got to stay grounded.
Keep a clear head.
Don't let the beauty and luxury
It's exact.
make you forget about the numbers.
Do your research. Understand the market. Weigh those potential rewards and risks.
Sounds like good advice for any investment,
It is.
whether it's in Phuket or somewhere else.
Investing is about making smart decisions,
Right.
not emotional ones.
So after all this talk about Phuket's luxury real estate, what's the final verdict? Is it a good investment?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
It is.
Everyone wants a clear answer.
Yeah.
But the truth is, it depends
On what?
on your financial goals,
Okay.
your risk tolerance, your long-term vision.
So no easy answer.
No magic 8-ball.
It's about considering everything and making the right decision for you.
Exactly.
But I think we can agree.
Okay.
Phuket has a lot to offer.
So much.
It's a beautiful place
Gorgeous.
with a vibrant culture
Yeah.
and a clear vision for the future.
That's what makes it exciting.
So there you have it.
We've explored it all.
The highs and lows of investing in Phuket's luxury real estate market.
The dream and the reality.
If you're thinking about taking the plunge,
Yeah.
remember to do your research.
Absolutely.
Work with local experts and be smart about it.
Keep a level head.
And who knows,
Maybe one day,
you'll be sipping a cocktail
on your own private balcony.
overlooking the ocean in Phuket.
Sounds nice.
Until then,
Keep exploring, keep learning.
and keep diving deep.
We'll see you next time.
That's all for this episode of the Deep Dive.